there have been numerous attempts to disintermediate the role of the broker or the middleman. And the idea was that technology could provide that service at a fraction of the cost. You're a tenant, you want space. Finding it should be a challenge that can be met using technology and data gathering. But I think that there is a human component to our business, which, because the pricing is dynamic and the variables at work are both mathematical and interpersonal, right? Meaning one person's taste and priorities are very different from another. All these variables that could theoretically be captured in an algorithm. I don't foresee the day when the human component of this business, the negotiating techniques, the decision-making, the presentation will ever be able to be replaced by AI.